Hello y'all, this is a different video. About a few months ago, I buried a matchbox. And now I'm going to dig it up and see what's the shape of it. I buried it, closing the box and everything. So, let's get into it. Gotta be careful over here because I don't want to damage the box as much. Where is it? It's over here, around here somewhere. I already found some parts of it. Right here. And it's only been there for a few months, so. Here. There it is. Oh, that's just another piece. Just dig off the sides. And a hornet just flew by. I'm gonna put you guys in the dark for now. I'll just talk to you. Come on, where is it? I have to dig off the sides. I found some evidence, but I haven't found the whole thing yet. Well, let's keep on digging. I probably need to start digging on the sides. And hey guys, look. Here's the part. All wet in there, you can see. It is epic. Truck is all fine. It's just gotta dig it out now. This is so epic. It's just like Christmas, but digging out of the ground. You gotta be very gentle because I don't want to damage that box. Because it's already damaged and everything else. See, there it is. I gotta dig off the sides, push the dirt. Oh, come on. There we go. Let's dig around because there we go. Gotta be very gentle. Yeah, we better dig out. Better push all that dirt over here. I did this for fun, for experimenting. And I had to wait almost this has been in my mind for a long time now. Waiting rain after rainstorm, and like, oh, that's gonna add some stuff. See, around the sides. Epic. Come on. And yes, I'm not taking it out of the box still. That's why I don't want to damage the box. Yeah. Gotta be very gentle though because the box started ripping.
So it's stuck?
Yeah. I didn't find it. I was just digging around. And then I just found this piece first. And I knew I was in the right spot.
Oh. Well, you should come inside.
Right now?
When Grandma keeps asking, did Matthew come back inside? Hannah already taken her shower, so technically you're turning the shower.
Well, give me a few minutes. Or give me a few seconds. Oops. Come on, come on. Come on. Here we go. And now let's get under the box. Oh, look at this. Bugs got to it. And there's mold growing on it. Yeah, that's black mold. Whoops, I turned the camera. I must have done a face reveal. But there it is. I literally need to take it out of the box now because that's black mold. So that's gonna be it for now. Better wash my hands, take a shower. But that's it.